quite a few weeks, I think through the end of September actually, that I have 2-page layouts for Tuesdays, if I remember correctly, all the way through that time anyway. So lots of photos to get scrapbooked. This is of M number 2's birthday, and it's him blowing out his candles on his cake, and eating some cake. So kind of a fun one. I like doing these because they can just be silly and fun. I'm putting now all those photos on a background of star paper, which is the Bella Boulevard Oh My Stars Pickle Juice stars. And then I love that cake paper. It's so cute, perfect for a boy layout. That is also some from Bella Boulevard. It's the Wish Big paper, and it's the boy version because there is a girl version as well, but the Wish Big paper in Cake Time. So the girl version is much more pinks and purples than the boys, which are blues and greens. So I'm going to take a piece of that paper, and it's not quite 6 inches, just a little bit short, like I think 5.5 or 5 3/4 is what the measurement worked out. I'm actually not going to mat my photos on anything other than what they are on now. Just because I think that green paper serves as a mat itself. But I do want some sort of transition between the two papers. It's a pretty stark transition right now, so I'm going to pull out this Bella Boulevard navy polka dot washi tape, and it's old. It's pretty old, but probably my favorite washi tape in all seriousness. It's a really nice, it's kind of thick, but it makes a great border, and I love the navy. But not available, hasn't been available in years, probably, 5 years at least, maybe even more than that. All right, and I'm almost done with this roll. I shouldn't say almost done, but I'm halfway done at least with this roll. Okay, so let's put those photos back now, and I have 6 photos here. I print my photos all at one time, so once I take photos, I put them in my laptop, I process them, and then I print them. So that I print them also basically, it's not quite 4x6 because it's from a cell phone, but I print it at basically that size on a 4x6. So I don't do a lot of fooling around and changing of sizes of photos. I have a lot of things to scrap, so I don't want to take the time to do that. So that's why, when I have 5 or 6 photos, a lot of times I have to do a 2-page layout, which is fine. It doesn't bother me. And it's funny because I didn't used to do 2-page layouts, and now I do them all the time. I think part of it is all the photos you take of kids. So this 3x4 cut apart page is from Bella Boulevard again. It's the Wish Big collection, the boy collection, and it's the Daily Details paper. So that's the one where they have the cut aparts. And there's this cute little 3x4 card that says "Eat More Cake." Not a lot of journaling to do here, just because it is what it is. I could even, because it's dated, I could even figure out how old he is. But the journaling on that I'm going to put on here actually says, his name and which birthday it was, to make it easy, because there are 4 children to keep track of. All right, so now I'm going to go through, and I don't think I have any more cake stickers left, or not, at least in colors that would work with this. That is something that I'm sort of on the lookout for, because I do like to put little cakes on things and that kind of stuff. I said not that long ago I didn't think I was a theme scrapper until I moved into my new apartment and the scrapbook room and saw all the themed paper that I have. It was very funny. So this is the Pebbles Birthday Wishes accent sticker sheet. So I'm going to take that cupcake on the right off, the hat from there. I'm looking at doing this balloon animal, but decide I don't really like either of the balloon animals. So those pieces are coming from this sheet. And part of it is, I'm going to try that guy there. It's so red, and there is red in the bottom, but it's not as dominant as that red is. So I found this other cupcake with a blue kind of cupcake liner there, and that just seems to work a little bit better. There is a little red dot there, so kind of auditioning the party hat around to see where I want it to go. And now the green in the cupcake on the right is a little bit brighter than the pickle juice, a little bit more yellow, but the pickle juice background paper there, but it works just fine. So that's going to go there on the right. And then I found a present there from the Echo Park Let's Party Element sticker sheet in an aqua color, so that'll go next to the cupcake on the left. The background paper of that cake paper is so busy that I don't need a ton of embellishing on this one. And I think because that paper is so busy, it really calls your attention, and then the photos there are mounted on that Pickle Juice Stars paper, which aren't as busy, so I think it really calls your attention to those photos. Okay, again, just trying to figure out what I could put on this sheet. And I have this these little long candy pieces. Those are from that Pebbles Birthday Wishes paper. And again, I'm trying to use that balloon animal, but he's not going to work on this layout. And then on the Echo Park Let's Party element stickers, I found this round candy. So then I have 3 pieces up there. You know, that rule of 3, just your eye likes odd numbers better. So there we go there. All right, so then I am going to take some stars from the puffy heart stickers from, that's the name of the sheet of these from Ellie Studios. And these are fairly, well, I think they're like 2018 or 2019, but they do groups of embellishments every month. So they're fun to look through for lots of very good general embellishments that you can use on pages, like stars and hearts and that kind of stuff. So I'm choosing things in greens and aquas kind of to work with the colors. Now I still don't have a title on this layout, and I don't really want to put it on the cake background because I think it'll get lost, and I don't have a lot of room. I could do it more on the side, so I'm going to go to these small puffy alphabet stickers from Ellie's Studio in an aqua color, and that I think is going to work great for this layout. That again, it's more subtle so that your focus stays on the photos, and that really the photos in the journaling are the important part of the layout because that's what contains the memory, and the all the other stuff is the icing on the cake, or the fun part for me, at least as a scrapbooker. I like preserving the memories most definitely, because someday these kids are going to be just overwhelmed by how much of their childhood is documented. All right, you guys, I am just about finished.